All right, traders, it is the 19th of June, 2017. My name is Jameson. Welcome to Behringer Trading. We are looking at a 3-minute vertical bar chart for today's retrospective market review. Today we gapped up higher. We consolidated for the first few minutes of this session, and then we rallied up through the VWAP. And we did so with increased ease of upward movement, closing at highs, and then we just kind of consolidated here. We never really lost the close for that 3-minute session that's here. It's very bullish. And then the character that we broke out of this little flag that's here is also very bullish. So we did so with expanding volume, and then that kind of resulted in prices rallying pretty aggressively, and then we just kind of stopped and stalled. We encountered some supply here. We attempted to break this level here. We did so, but encountered more supply, and then prices break back down. Now during this breakdown here, you're going to appreciate the narrowing price spreads. You know, prices are just kind of following here. Supply's having a difficult time overcoming demand, and then we try to rally back through, and you can appreciate on this rally we confirm this level of support as resistance, and then prices break back down into the VWAP here. But you can appreciate, as bearish as this looks, there's no supply, and we're maintaining 50% of this actual move, so it's bullish technical strength. So we trade in this VWAP, there's no sellers, and again now we're starting to rally back higher. We're testing this recent high, but staying narrow spreads. Difficulty as demand is unable to kind of consistently overcome supply, and then we break back down. Not a lot of supply, but you know, this is with increased ease of downward movement. There's a little anxiety. Prices break down. We retest this level, and then again we continue higher to new highs with with narrowing price spreads, and then now we break through this level. We have new highs for this session, and we did so with a lot of volume here. So it's kind of a climax for the intraday session that's present, and then it's quickly reversed, and the character at which is reversed occurs with a lot of selling pressure. So as soon as we lose this level of support here, that's a good short signal, and you can see prices break down. We break down again. We attempt to rally higher. We confirm this level of support as resistance, and then we continue to trade lower here on expanding volume. Now interesting though, as we trade into the VWAP, again there's expanding volume, but this is very narrow price spreads. This is a doji, this is indecision into this VWAP here. So prices attempt to rally higher. We confirm this level of support as resistance. We break back down very aggressively, but now look, there's no sellers. So when you look at the amount of selling pressure that's present near highs, when we actually come back down to the VWAP or down to the midday range for the day, there's no sellers. It looks like we're in strong hands, and now you can just appreciate a steady consistent buying effort into the session. And then as we actually trade higher for the day, we break to a new high. We introduce some supply that's present here. We pull back. We confirm this level of resistance as support, and then we close the day just above that level. So it's a bullish technical position, but the amount of volume that's present suggests that there's some distribution. And I say that because this is obviously the rebalancing is very heavy on the buy side. How come in the presence of so much buying, we're unable to make new highs? And it's probably because there was some selling this present. So I think this is nice bullish technical strength. We might see a little pullback tonight, and then I would anticipate that we continue to test highs.